Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS Cognito user pools for no-code apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To backup AWS Cognito user pools for no-code apps, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the dashboard, locate and click on the Cognito service. Next, select Manage User Pools from the options available. Identify the user pool you want to backup from the list. Click on the user pool name to open its configuration settings. Once in the user pool, navigate to the Users and Groups section on the left sidebar. From here, select Users to view a list of users in the pool. You will need to export the user list to create a backup. Click on the Download button or any available export option to download the user data in CSV format. Next, go back to the user pool settings and click on the Attributes tab. Make a note of the user pool settings, including attributes and password policies. To save additional configurations, take screenshots of each relevant settings page for your records. To backup user data securely, consider using AWS CLI or SDK. Install and configure AWS CLI if you haven't done so already. Use the list users command to retrieve a list of users programmatically. Redirect the output to a text file for your backup records. Alternatively, you can create a script or use compatible third-party tools for automated backups. Check if there are any triggers or lambdas associated with your user pool that may require backup. Document these configurations as they may not be included in the user export. Finally, ensure that your backup is stored in a secure location. Consider encrypting your backup files for added security. Regularly schedule backups to maintain up-to-date records of your user pool data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.